when we're choosing our guardians, one of the things you're going to want to think about is if you pick a couple, what happens if they get divorced? So, for example, if you pick a husband and a wife, and let's say the wife is your sister and the husband is a brother-in-law. And so while they're a couple, you want them both to be the guardians of your children. But if they got divorced, you only want your sister, right? You're not going to want your brother-in-law. So we would put, in the event of a divorce, your sister only is to be the guardian. And what if one of them died? Well, maybe you're okay with your brother-in-law in that situation. So if one of them dies, the other one can remain the guardian. Maybe you're not okay. And so if one of them dies, only your sister or only your brother-in-law can be the guardian. And a lot of people use that, especially, like I said, when it is a sibling that's involved, as opposed to some friends, or maybe they have older parents and they know that dad would not be able to handle the kids on their own, but mom could. Or sometimes we'll say if one of them dies, well, then it goes to the next generation of guardians, right? Because you know that you would only want the two of them as a couple to take care of your children. And if something happened to one of them, you would want it to go on to your next choices. And that's one of the reasons we also always encourage you to pick at least 2 layers of guardians, ideally 3. Any questions?